Madam, I continue to advance with the Tricolor flag, leaving all the volunteers behind. The police shot me 3 times. I continued marching, dead set, wounds to the forehead and both hands. As I was repeatedly shot, I kept chanting, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Finally, I died with the Indian flag held high and still flying. Vande Mataram. Good morning, everyone. I dedicate my life as a small contribution to my motherland. I am alone responsible for this. I am marginal iron. I was born in Sengotai. I participated in revolutionary activities against the British. I was also trained in arms by Subramanya Iyer and another activist who sought violent means to defeat the British. I became a member of the Bharat Mata Association, which constantly acted against the British organization. Now let me talk about Robert Ashe or Collector Durai. He was known in Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu during the British Raj. After I met the Bharat Mata members, I planned to kill Ashe on 11 June 1911 on Coronation Day of King George's celebration. On June 17, 1911, Ashe and his wife Harry were traveling in a train and alighted at Maniachi station. I also boarded the train and shot Ashe. After the shooting, I was waiting for